Hello friends, in this video we will be covering the architecture of SSRS. So in SSRS, this is the architectural diagram, you can say. So here the data source is a source of data, which we will be showing in our report. So it is the source of data, remember. Now another database is there. It is the reporting server database. That means the server in which the report will be hosted. So it is the backend database of that particular server. Okay. Now there is a concept of report server where the reports are deployed, and this server is basically the backend server for the reporting. And what is report manager? Report manager is the front end of report server. So in report manager, we can manage the reports that are deployed in the report server. We can give user access, required access, and these kind of management related things we can do in the report manager. Now there is a concept of report builder. What is report builder? The data tool, the Visual Studio in which we are creating the reports, that is report designer. But report builder is little different. Report builder is for the deployed report. So once the report is deployed in report manager, from there itself, if we provide any user report builder access, then he or she can take the report and make the required changes. So it is basically the end user who is using the report. If he is tech savvy, then generally they take this access and make the required changes as needed. But for developers, we will be using the report designer. So how is the report designer? This is the report designer, the data tool basically. And this data tool has three major part. One is the report data section, where the data source, embedded data set, all the queries are written. And in the design section, all the designs are made. And in the preview section, we can view the report that will be viewed by the end user. Now for the designing of the report, we have the data tool. So data tool is the collection of all the components those are needed to create the report. For example, this is the data tool. So here we have the text box, line, table, matrix, rectangle, etc. Various components are available which we can drag and configure our report using this. So this is the overall architecture of SSRS. Thank you for watching this video.